What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another brand new YouTube video. Yes. Now you guys can see I'm mic'd up. New better content coming soon. So today's gonna be something new. So we're at home, and it's been pretty chill. Hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas with your guys' family.
Merry Christmas.
But today we're gonna be throwing some taillights that my wife got me for Christmas, which I appreciate it. You know what I'm saying? What is up, my guy? Anyways, so yes, guys, we're gonna do some taillights. I haven't posted on YouTube in a minute, but if you guys do follow me on TikTok, you guys did see that I purchased a Mustang 5.0. Been having the car for just about a month, and I'm actually in love with it. Great car. So today, like I said, we're gonna be throwing on some taillights. My wife actually got me for Christmas. So let me see. So you guys can see, the Euro taillights. I've been wanting these taillights on this Mustang so bad, and my wife let it happen. You know what I'm saying? Made it happen. As of so far. So what you guys have to do is that don't mind the mess. We do have a 5-month-old baby, so, and this is the daily, so yeah, it's not bad. People say you can have a baby in here, but it's not that bad. Anyways, so once you take off these 4 bolts that will twist on, you just gotta pop off this plastic. So you gotta do is just kind of put some force in it. Don't be scared. There goes that one. You can technically you should have taken off this part, but it's alright, nothing happens. And since I do have the 418 package, it might be a little bit difficult because I do have my sub rack here. So once you guys do that, I had to take out some parts I have in here. But once you do that, you lift up this plastic piece like that. You just pop it off. There you go. Like I said, guys, don't be scared. It's nothing that bad. Put this to the side because you won't need it till later. Alright, guys, so the thing you have to do now is you have to remove this little plastic little pin. So once doing that, all you have to do is just pull this out, and this carpet comes off. So once this carpet comes off, it gives you more like a little access to do whatever you need to do from in here. Alright, guys, so you do have to actually take off the mat that's in the bottom. So I did take that off. Once doing that, all you have to do is just pull this off, and then it makes it a little bit more easier because now you will just scoot this over and put it to the side. So you have, I think, 3 bolts of 10 millimeter. I think the furthest one is back here. And doing that, all you have to do now, just take those bolts off, and then the light should be free. Disconnect the lights, and you should be good. Alright, guys, so what you do now, you have to take off these 3 bolts. So there's 2 right here, and then there's 1 back here. I do need to see what this is because I have no clue. But so once you take off these 3, so once you take off these bolts right here, so they're 10 millimeter, make sure you do have a long socket. So it's easier, because if you have a short one, then you can't get it to it. But once you do this, you move this over as well. You just loosen up with your hand. And then you have one all the way in the back, but I probably won't be able to show you guys that one just because of this big ass box that's in the way. Once we take off everything, all the 3 bolts, and then you have to take off a connection that runs from the light to the connection to the car. That connection was back here, just that I wasn't able to really get it, so I had to kind of pull it out from here because of this. All you have to do now is just pull out the light. It'll come right off. From here, make sure you gotta take off this little plastic piece, because you technically, when you get the new lights, it already comes with one of these, and from there, voila, you get the one that you're gonna put on. But you don't have to take off nothing from here because everything already comes assembled from the other light. So you put this to the side, so you got your new light. All you have to do is just pass these cables in through here. Once they pass through there, all you have to do is just set this little plastic piece again. And then all you have to do now is just align your lights, right? So all you have to do is make sure your lights are aligned on this side. Take off the plastic if you want. Make it easier for yourself. So once your lights are aligned over here, all you have to do is kind of just push it in, make sure they're aligned over here, and they sit right there. So just like that, they're in. All you have to do back is just connect that light again. The cable, the connection, all you have to do is just connect the connection. Once you're done with the connection, 3 bolts, and this light should be done. All right, guys. So you could technically remove the plastics on the stock ones, put it up here, but low-key, you might be in the risk of breaking the stock light that you have. Just in case you ever sell your car and you don't want to sell it with the lights, you can always just find these online and just put it brand new instead of breaking your old ones. What do you guys prefer? Do you guys like them the Euro or just the stock lights? A lot of people like the stock lights. Me personally, I always like these. So what I'm gonna do now is just focus on this side because this side is already done. So I'm gonna do this side off camera, and then once I get done with that side, we'll show you guys everything all together. Everything has been all done. Everything was put back together. So technically, all you gotta do from the first process that I showed you guys, pretty much just repeat that side exactly with the next one. But if you do have the 418 package Mustang with the speaker in the back, the only thing you have to do is just remove the speaker. It's not that hard. It just has clip on, clip out. Other than that, it's the same process as what I did over here on this side. But yes, the car is finally done. I love it. I like how it came out. So let me know what else you guys want to see on this car. Comment down below on what you guys want to see, the next model you guys wanted me to do on the Mustang. As of right now, I'm doing just outside stuff. So if anything, once it starts going performance parts, then I would let you guys know so that they can let me know what you guys want me to do. But as of right now, yes, taillights. I do want to go off with the steering wheel, either not yet, but I do want to go with the front lip. Probably go for Corsa Extreme Catless. So stay tuned on that. But yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been a minute. I do want to try to start making videos again. So hopefully you guys did like this new video that I just came out with. Something different, not just about me driving my semi. So hopefully you guys did enjoy. Leave a like, thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. And let's see if we can hit 25 subscribers. Let's go for the end of the year. And this is gonna be it for the video today. So deuces.